You are the lead of the show. You have to cry to gain sympathy.
उन्होंने कहा था ये 13 दिन की हम आपके हैं कौन है.
A moment in your career where you felt like a puglet.
Oh my God, every single day, Faridun, every single day.
Okay, so rapid fire with Shayoni, a character from Puglet you would want as your best friend.
Sandhya.
I'm already your best friend, Akanksha.
Thanks. Actually, the three of us, I had most of my scenes with them and we had a really good time.
That's true.
Yeah, the three of us are really happy while
Together.
shooting. Yeah, together.
A moment in your career where you felt like a puglet.
Oh my God, every single day, Faridun, every single day. Yeah, fully. I mean, you feel like a puglet and because you're constantly trying to break certain barriers and norms and you're trying to do and play the game by your own rules and not following any.
Okay, if you have a doubt that your boyfriend is cheating on you, how would you verify it?
I would ask straight up.
Which according to you was your most difficult role till date?
Technically Margarita, but also Akhone because there was a lot of dialect and accent work and it's a very, very different character again than who I am.
Sure. How would you describe following people in one word? Sania Malhotra.
Open and spirited. Sorry, that's 2 words.
Open and spirited. Guneet Monga.
Thank you.
Can it be like a phrase, not a word, because it's very difficult? Breaking glass ceilings.
Umesh Bist.
Umesh Bisht. Supportive.
How would you react to these YouTube comments on Puglet trailer? This is Kriti Bisht. There she is, Shayoni Gupta. Was missing her on screen a lot. I just love the way she opens up on Twitter. I just love her. Waiting for 4 more shots, season 3.
Is it coming?
Keep waiting and thanks. Keep watching the films and watch Puglet. That's all I can say.
Okay, we'll move to Rajesh Ji now. Rajesh Ji,
Yeah.
rapid fire with you. What impressed you the most about the script of Puglet?
I think the world, the whole world of this Puglet and the premise
World
of जो 13 दिन में एक शायद एक सेंटेंस में बोलना चाहूँगा इसके लिए. उमेश जी ने जब पहली बार मैं मिला था तो उन्होंने मुझे एक मजाक में ही कहा था, मुझे लगता नहीं ये कोट करना चाहिए या नहीं, फिर भी करता हूँ. उन्होंने कहा था ये 13 दिन की हम आपके हैं कौन है.
That's well said, actually.
तो that strike me.
That is well said. That is well said. Okay. Which co-stars of yours immediately comes to your mind when I say the word Puglet?
Which film star?
Which co-star of yours? Any co-star.
Which co-star? अभी तो
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं सान्या ही अभी मुझे लग रही है क्योंकि पगलेट का नाम सुनते ही इनकी शक्ल दिखाई देती है.
ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो किसी भी एक्टर को सिर्फ थिएटर से सीखने को मिल सकती है?
I think teamwork.
Oh, well said. Well said. A film genre you think you can never adapt to?
Something which is related to dance.
Dance.
हाँ.
Okay.
Get your dance musicals.
Which actor comes to your mind when I say the following? Bundle of energy.
Shahrukh Khan.
Most underrated actor.
I think me.
Oh, that's well said. Actor par excellence.
Actor par excellence.
Yeah.
No, वो मैं नहीं कह
You.
सकता.
That's you.
No, thank you. But मैं मेरे ख्याल से इरफान खान.
Irfan Khan. Okay, so Rajesh ji, this is a comment on the YouTube link of Puglet. The name is Anshul Maurya. Rajesh ji is like a lucky charm for filmmakers. If you notice, ये जिस भी फिल्म या शो में होते हैं वो हिट हो ही जाता है या फिर क्रिटिकल अक्लेम तो गारंटीड रहता है. So are you the lucky charm of Paglet?
Yes.
नहीं
Yes.
नहीं मतलब ये अगर ऐसा सोचते हैं तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. मेरे ख्याल से अगर ये एक टैग मेरे साथ जुड़ जाता है तो मेरे थोड़ा कास्ट ज़्यादा हो जाऊंगा कहीं कि अच्छा लकी चार्म है, चलो ले लो.
All right, we'll move to Shruti now. Shruti, this is your rapid fire. What's your definition of Paglet?
Like Sandhya said, follow your heart and just be yourself, and you will be a puglet.
What is something that you admire a lot about Sania Malhotra?
Oh, she's very quirky, she's very supportive, and she has this big heart.
Okay.
I
What
love
is
this
something? What is something most of the people do in their day-to-day life you think should be made illegal?
Yeah, I think yeah, this is the most important thing: spitting on the road and
Being on the road.
and one more thing. This is the thing which I personally want people to stop doing. Please stop harming nature. Please stop throwing this kachra on beaches. I love beaches, and every time I go there, I'm like, Dana Pani. I went Dana Pani, and there was only dana hi dana. There was no pani. I was like, collect your danas into the dust and throw them into the dustbin. Please keep your nature clean, please.
Okay, that's well said. Okay, one annoying thing about TV shows very few people are aware of.
They have this perception that if you are the lead of the show, you have to cry to gain sympathy, which is not true. And I want people to just clear this, thought, because I am trying to, change it somewhere.
Okay, which actor or actress comes to your mind when I say the following? An actor I want to romance on screen.
Ranveer Kapoor.
Talent ka khazana.
Talent ka khazana, I think Shah Rukh Khan.
India's biggest superstar.
Amitabh Bachchan ji.
How would you react to this YouTube comment on Paglat trailer? This is Anushka Vaidya. I know Shruti Sharma and been following her for quite some time now. I can see she has a good role here, but I'm sure that she is passionate enough to grab a lead role in the future. Her place is not on TV, but on the big screen. So can people see you in main leads on films, in films?
Yes, they will. Most definitely and very soon.
Thank you so much, and this was really overwhelming. Honestly, a lot of people ask me this thing that, why are you doing TV? Why are you not going for movies and all? Every time I give interviews, people ask me, you are doing a film now, how difficult it was for you to, grab a movie while doing TV. And I don't know why people categorize work so much. There's no difference between TV and films. Like, there's no, if you are honest with your work, if you are an actor, you know how to do your job. It doesn't matter either it's TV, it's movie. Just be honest and you will act. I don't like that.
Okay, that's well said.